Hello everyone. In March 2023, I published a textbook titled Fields and Waves in Electromagnetic Communications with Wiley. Here are the summary and unique features of the book. Electromagnetics, in short EM, deals with the abstract nature of the electromagnetic field and wave and their interaction with matter. The textbook has presented a holistic approach to the advanced EM, field and wave theory, and modern applications. The uniqueness of the textbook is that each topic is supported by the most recent technological advancements, analogies, similes, anecdotes, and emerging applications of EM in a novel pedagogy. As for example, traditional textbooks start with the uniform plane wave from Maxwell's equations without any understanding how the field originates from the time-varying current that generates the curling magnetic field and then the curling electric field by the virtue of the Ampere's and Faraday's laws. In this book, this gap has been overcome with examples that support the theory of Maxwell's equations. The figure illustrates an equivalent mechanical process with a sewing machine. A sewing machine's sewing mechanism has analogy of the electromagnetic field wave propagation with two different threads in the needle and bobbin, and the movement of the base of the sewing machine makes the stitches that progress like a wave pattern on the cloth. On the right-hand side, a dipole antenna with induced current from a source generates the radiated electromagnetic fields by the virtue of Ampere and Faraday's law. Another example is a seesaw that represents the exchange of electric and magnetic energies in instantaneous electromagnetic field wave due to these two laws. Next, the domino effect due to the finger push is equivalent to the dipole antenna with a source that shows the exchange of electric and magnetic energies in instantaneous electromagnetic field waves. Similar, many examples are given in the book to enhance the fundamental concepts of the uniform plane wave. The normal incidence of the uniform plane wave at the interface of two media and its reflection is shown with a shuttlecock that changes its direction instantaneously. The direction of the reflected electric field remains the same to the incident field, but the magnetic field changes its direction to maintain the orthogonality between the direction of propagation and the reflected electric and magnetic fields. This is also depicted on the shuttlecock. For the very abstract concept of the total internal reflection of the oblique incident field, when an EM incident wave at an angle greater than the critical angle impinges at the interface of the denser media from the lighter medium. This case is shown with both Rayetter's model and a spider. A dotted line is placed above the spider represents the interface of the two media. Different incident angles are shown with the analogy of the spider's two antennas as the wave propagation to the second media, and for the incident angle is smaller than the critical angle. The legs of the spider represent the total internal reflection when incident angle is greater than the critical angle. For the total internal reflection, what happens to the transmission wave? It gets exponentially decayed due to the orthogonal nature of the constant phase and amplitude planes as shown in the left-hand figure. The 3D depiction is shown in the middle, and the mridanga has the profile of diminishing transmission modes in the denser media. Finally, in conclusion, the book has many such practical examples to exemplify the very fundamental concepts of the EM theory. Experimental learning by analogy help gain a solid foundation in AEM and retention. Each important abstract theory is supported with many examples, problems, review questions, analogies and anecdotes from the built environment and nature, so that a student can correlate the example and complex AM processes with such objects, artifacts, and natural phenomena. At the same time, such abstract theories are provided with a detailed derivation so that a beginning student can understand each step of the developed theory. Therefore, the textbook has both depth and breadth of the covered AEM topics. I hope you will enjoy reading the book and adopt the book in your teaching course. Thank you. Nemai Karmakar from Monash University.